Hello everyone. Is your car struggling with rough shifting, slipping gears, or getting stuck in one gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0765, Shift Solenoid D Malfunction, this means your transmission isn't shifting properly, which can lead to serious driving issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0765 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where you can find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0765? The P0765 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that Shift Solenoid D is not functioning properly. This solenoid controls the flow of hydraulic fluid to shift gears, and if it's faulty, the transmission may not work as expected. Ignoring this issue can cause delayed or harsh shifting transmission slipping between gears, check engine light on car stuck in one gear, limp mode, poor fuel efficiency transmission overheating. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the components responsible for this issue. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0765, check these key components. Shift Solenoid D, location inside the transmission valve body near the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to shift gears. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP. Sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function, monitors fluid pressure to ensure smooth gear shifts. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function, measures input shaft speed and sends data to the PCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually found under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function, sends commands to shift solenoids based on sensor readings. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the shift solenoids, sensors, and PCM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0765: 1. Faulty shift solenoid D. If it fails, gear shifting becomes unpredictable. 2. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can cause solenoid failure. 3. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded, or broken wires can disrupt signal flow. 4. Failed transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect pressure readings affect shifting. 5. PCM/TCM software issues. A software update or reset may be required. 6. Internal transmission problems. A damaged valve body or clutch pack may need repair. How to fix P0765. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid D. Use a multimeter to check for proper resistance. Step 3. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare its readings with expected values. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure it's providing accurate data. Step 6. Examine the PCM/TCM connections. Make sure they're clean and securely connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0765 can lead to major transmission failure and expensive repairs. Catching the issue early can save you money and keep your car running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0396, camshaft position sensor, B, circuit range, performance. P0397, camshaft position sensor, B, circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.